Hello, let's see. Hello, do we have six people waiting here? Hello, everyone. Please let me know if you can hear me well. Hello, let's see. Let me connect my AirPods. Hey, Wayne. Hello. How are you? Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about all the ordering app, delivery app, business app, everything. Three people now. We have three people. Let's just give it a little bit more. I'm glad at least I'm here. Welcome. You're always welcome here, Wayne. If you have any questions, you can start typing them. We're going to wait about five, 8 minutes, something like that, so we can start. Hello, Monica. We have eight, apparently. Hello, everyone. Write me something in the chat so I know you're here with me. Okay, let's just wait 4 more minutes. Hello, Yasin. Hello, everyone. I don't know if you've been experiencing some issues with the builder. We are working very hard to solve them. Hello, Maurice. Welcome back. Hello, Faith. How are you? We're just giving some time for more people to join. We have 11 now. Remember, if you have any questions, just start typing them in the chat. I'll be happy to answer. iOS test app issues. Maurice, do you mean the test app issues in building in the builder? Yeah, yeah. So we're working on that right as we speak. We launched the store feature, but it's causing just a little issues there. As soon as it is fixed, I don't know if you're already talking with support, but we are working on it to get fixed. We'll let you know. It shouldn't take long. Sorry about it. Oh, you're talking to them? Amazing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're fixing it right now. I mean, it was something that we didn't prevent. Just a little change there, but we're already working on everything. It should be working now in the builder. Actually, let me try it here right now on my account. I'm not showing yours. Don't worry about it. We're testing the builder. In this account, I don't have iOS, but let me try Android. If it works, if it builds it, we are very close. Jay Egan's, hi, how are you? I haven't talked to you in a long time. Welcome. I will answer your questions just after I check this builder thing. Just give it a few minutes. Let me close this. Put some snooze notifications here. That's it. I'm so glad you're great, Jay. Pricio, hello, Pricio. Maurice, oh, it is working. Okay, then let's just wait for the issue on iOS get solved, and we will let you know for sure. Actually, I will ask the team here. Let me know when iOS is fixed. One person that is over the lesson. Thanks. Thank you very much for your patience. So, 1 minute, we're ready to start. Today we're going to learn how every app works, what it do, every aspect of it, of them, and as always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Just write it in the chat, and I will answer them. Oh, at least I will do my best. So, Jay, how do you block the business from seeing the driver dashboard? How do you block the business? I am assuming the business owners. Currently, you can't. I mean, as the system is, the business owners will also see the delivery dashboard. Uh, we, if you want to block that, it'll be a custom work. So we comment that part on the code and a few more custom things. Currently, as the system is, it's not possible. Um, Let me send you a form to submit a quote. I think you already have it, but I will send it to you again just to. Yeah, it's quote. Here is J. J. Give us your idea, and we will let you know the price and everything. So, guys, let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about all the apps. We're going to start with the customer one. I am just logging into the. I'm just going to the demos so we can take a look at everything. Okay, close this. Let's direct to the demos. So we have it here. For the customer side, in when we're talking of apps. Oh wait, Jay. Yeah, Jay. Yes, Jay. Whatever you need, we can customize it. Just submit us the quote, and we will let you know the price and everything and how it works. So, getting back to this, for the customers, we have options in apps. We have the ordering app, which is for multi stores, which means is the normal one that your customers will see all the store that you have listed in your business, right? And also we have another one that is called single business ordering app. This one is for specific stores. So if you want to give each of your businesses the chance, the opportunity for them to have their own apps only for them, you can do it with this one. I just want to mention really quickly because it's a very uh, good it's a very good deal if they are going if they are selling very well using your marketplace app. You can offer them the chance for this particular app, which is single just for them, and maybe make some more money in the way in the road. It works the same. You set up addresses. It has delivery pickup. However, this only shows the store, the single store, only the store that they have that you want it to be. For example, in this case, we are showing the McDonald's store, which is taken also from your marketplace, which means you won't do any other setup for menus or something like that. This also has a different view here. This is the menus. This is the product menu, how it looks. So it's like a different layout. And everything is the same after that. The upselling feature, continue. You have to log in as a customer. The credentials remain the same, like this. And then we go in checkout, and the process is the same. This is the single business app, right? If you want to offer something else to your businesses, here's the solution, right? It's the same. They will get informed in the business app and in the ordering manager, sorry, the orders manager inside the ordinator and the delivery dashboard. It's the same. Now, let's jump into the ordering app. This is the ordering app. This is the marketplace. This is the good one. We have the tutorial. For starters, this is something like that not most of our customers use, which is a tutorial. This is already there. This is already in the ordering builder for you to give it to your customers. These are just a few images which will explain how the app works, right? Or if you want to use these images as something else, you can do it. This shows only once. The first time your customer install the app, they will see these 6 pictures, and you can tell them how it works. And you can also put something at the end like uh, today's, and not today, but like, for more information, please contact us at this site. I mean, this is part of your marketing campaign, like how you want it to work, right? After this, we jump in the homepage. To change those tutorial images, you go in your builder, then images, and then we have it here. It says tutorial mobile slide 1, which is the first image, and so on. You have the slide 2 all the way to the sixth one. Also, for iPads, it's different view, so you have to create new resources, new images for the iPad, right? So you click here, 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 and change them. Very basic. That way, you will show that those tutorials that I showed you before, right? So we have a question. In business settings, there's an option for extra validation before creating. Can you explain what it is? Yeah, sure, Wayne. When I get there, I will explain it for sure. So now let me open the business app. I will try to make like a 3 window here. Here's going to be the ordering app because I want to show you the full process of all the apps, like when one order is made and everything. I hope this works. Uh, so make it like this and then do it like this. This is the orders app, and this is going to be the delivery app. So now let's imagine this is our business owner, this is our drivers, and this is our customers app. Let me move me. Okay. Now, all this app, I mean, the drivers are already logged in here, right? And the business owner is already logged here. This is logged in as the business owner, just the simple one, which only controls McDonald's, right? For this demo. So this is how the flow will go in a perfect way. The customer orders here according to address in the ordering app. Save this. Let's order for McDonald's, which is the one that our business app has assigned. Just some McWrap. Yeah, I will make it a combo with a Coke. Add it, view order, order now. Upselling, iced coffee. Okay, like that. Continue. I will log in so I can see the status changes on the order that I'm about to make. Log in. Now, let's finish the order. Select payment method. Okay. Now the order is made in the ordering app, right? As you can see, it launches instantly to the business app because all the apps are connected with sockets, which means that all your solution is instantly updating all the information to each of the apps and everything. Excuse me. So now we can control. Now we are in control of the app. I mean, in the business app, we have to accept the apps and then assign it to driver. Imagine as a business owner, I'm checking all the details and I am saying, okay, I accept the order. The preparation time of the order for the driver to come into my business for it will be 20 minutes, right? This is accepted. Now we assign a driver. If the auto assign feature is it's on, this after I accepted it, it will automatically get assigned to the driver, right? If it is not, we'll have to do it manually here. So I assign the driver is already knows here, and he can see here that the estimated preparation time is 20 minutes. This means that the driver has to be in the store in 20 minutes, right? So after 20 minutes has passed, the business can set here ready for pickup, right? The driver's app and the customer's app will get a push notification. We cannot see it here because it's in the browser, but they will get a push notification with the latest status that the order had, which now is ready for pickup, right? So now the customer knows that the order is ready for pickup, so the driver will go and pick it up. Now, after the driver is in the store and has a is in the, and knows the order is there, they have to set up a delivery time, which means the delivery time for the driver to deliver it to the customer. Let's say 15 minutes, right? Allow location. We have to allow the location for the customer and the business can track the drivers on a real map moving, right? So after that, the driver has to say, "Hey, I have arrived to the business." Hmm? Everyone gets informed about it, right? The business app, at the ordering app. After that, he sets pickup completed. Everyone gets informed about it. And now the customer can see the real position of the driver while moving. I mean, right now is the demo. Someone made an order Or is it Greek or something like that? Greece? Israel. Well, the driver is very far away. Jerusalem. This is because of the demo, but in your solution it will work according to the addresses you have. Actually, the ordering name is showing Jerusalem. The business app is showing New York. This is because of the demo. So when this is in your solution using your Google Maps API keys, it will show the driver where it is. And if it is moving, for example, if right now in the demo someone moves, it will now show this little car, blue car, in the other place around the world. You can change this little blue car actually. How to change it? You have to go in your builder, and here we have the image that says car. So very basic. You just change this, and it'll change in the view of your apps, right? This is the view for the business app. This is the view for the customer app. Also, if you type here like, "Hey, you are going the wrong way." Actually, as you can see, it moved in the customer's app. Now, here the driver will see the message and also the business owner. So imagine you as a driver, you're getting that message, you open the app, you will get a push notification that there's a new message in the order. So you open the app and then, okay, then, oh, and then as a driver, where should I go? Now, the customer gets informed about it and also the business. So now everyone knows what is happening with the order. So all the apps, all the orders must be delivering in time and the right order and everything with the right product. With these messages future, you will make sure about it, right? It's very important. So now the customer says what is going on and everything. That is very basic. After everything is settled, once the delivery is completed, the driver clicks here. Oh, also, I almost forgot. He can also add a signature of the customer here, send it. Maybe the driver's signature if needed, or a picture. I mean, in the devices, there will be a pop-up of the camera to take a screenshot. This might work for some like courier services or something like that. So they take some documentation about the order being delivered or something like that. You have already that in your delivery app if you have it. Now we have to complete the delivery, the order delivery, and here the customer can now review the order. After the order is completed, the customer can review it. Also, the business owner gets informed about the completion of the orders, right? Now, as a customer, I review this. Amazing service. Something like that, I hope. Thank you very much. We have a text here that can be changed with the language manager. You already know it. It's in the ordering editor. After that, that's it. The order is completed. Now, aspects of each app. For example, as you will know, the ordering app is for the drivers. The customer can see all the orders here, can see all the saved card here, the saved cards. If you have a Stripe activated, the profile, they can change the picture. This is just for them. They can now add a password and the mobile, right? They can also turn on or off the notifications, which we always leave it as on because, well, it's important for them to be informed about it. And then just the normal process. As you can see, sometimes you will see a homepage different. So that homepage change when the customer is logged in. If it is logged in, he already has an address, and the system automatically gets that address in order to show stores. And you can, as a customer, you can change it here. Oh, here. You can add new addresses, and according to the new address, it shows the different stores available, right? The business app, we have. Oh, I'll get back to those. The business app, the business can see their stores, their products, sorry, the categories, the products, and even do a few changes on the products like instantly. If something happens, like I don't know, hey, we don't have any more bacon clubhouse burgers. Okay, turn it off. And now, due to sockets, it won't show here. You see, we only have dessert. What happened here? Let me see. I think someone is playing with the demos. Let me take a look at the ordering editor. This. I will log into the ordering editor to see what's going on with that particular business. My store. If something like that happens in your business, make sure to first take a look at the. Oh, so as you can see here, someone just disabled all this. This is something that you can't see in the business app. So make sure when this happens to you, make sure to have this the right way. So let me open all the apps one more time. Now, if I go here, I have just disabled this one, so all this will show, but here we only will see one of these. So let's just leave one, the quarter pounder cheese. So if I go back here and then, someone is disabled. Let me open the business again. Here, burgers. So now it is showing only once. Everything is instant, right? This is some of the aspect. Also, if you want to change the price, you can just type it here and update. That's it. It'll get updated here once we go back and look for the business and everything. As you can see, burgers. Now there's the new price. Okay. This is very handy when you don't have the computer on hand, right? So you can use this. You can turn off categories and even you can turn off the business. Uh, the simple tabs here at the top on the business app, pending, in progress, and done. It's very basic. Pending is an order that hasn't been accepted or rejected. Order in progress is everything between pending and done, which means between accepted or rejected or completed, right? And done is the completed order. Just like that. You can use filters to look for specific orders here. Refresh button to gather some more orders if there's any order stuck. And also profile, they have the name, password, and settings. You can change the language. Let's say Spanish, and it changed like this, or turn off the push notifications, and also the currency position and the time format. Very basic. Now in the delivery app, we have a few buttons here. We have the availability button, which means that when the driver is, well, not available or available, he has to click here. So the business know that he's not working that at that time. Also, here in the profile, he can put himself as on shift but not accepting orders because something happened. Maybe the driver crashed or something. So, well, if he crashes, I'm sure he won't take a look at this button. But I don't know how your business will work. So imagine that in that situation, he can just turn off this and he will be no longer receiving orders. Then update. The basics, use the profile picture, name, email, and password, and mobile phone. Also, we have here the push notifications, language, currency position, time format, just like the business app. Just like the business app. And support. If there's any issues, the driver can immediately send an email to your superadmin. Right now, this is not opening because in the device, it will send you to your mailing like app, the one that you have by default in your devices, right? Let me reload this. Okay, someone is changing the status of the order, so that's what happened here, and that's it. That is uh, the basic workflow of an order going through all the apps, and also the aspects of each app, right? Now I would like to jump into the builder part. Here is like let me close this and make this one bigger. So here is, mm, yeah, here's one app. As you can see here in your builder, you can change all the aspects of your apps. So make sure to use these resources that you already have in your power, in your hands. You can change the the pictures here. You can change the colors here. And if you want to do something else with the developers tool, feel free for it. Right now, we are experiencing just a little issue with the iOS build. So this hopefully will get fixed today. We will let you know about it. And now we had one question, well, two questions here. I will jump into questions now. So Wayne said, in business settings, in the business setting, let me jump into business setting. There is an option for extra validation before creating orders. Let me look for that one. Business Wayne. Let me look. Where is that? Where is our extra validation before creating orders? Wayne, can you help me with that? No, this is discounts, extensions. Okay, we'll get back to that one, Wayne. Please let me know where is it. Jens, is it also possible that an order goes directly to the driver without the business having to confirm it? Driver should wish on behalf of the person. So, Jens, um, in this situation, so everyone, so Jens wants to make the orders automatically accepted, right? So for that, we will have to create a SAP. Remember Zapier? You will have to create a SAP in Zapier. Actually, you know what? Let me show you. I think I have an example here in my account. This is not my account. Let me go in my account. With Zapier, you can achieve that, Jens. Let me show you here. This is opening. Okay, I have my SAPs here. And I think this one, yeah. So take a look at this, Jens. Here, uh, what we said to Zapier is that whenever there's a new order, make this bigger. Whenever there's a new order on my Zapier on my ordering account, then I select the account, which is your website. Uh, I add this hook in the ordering editor, and this is a request I get. I explain more about how Zapier works in the Zapier lesson, okay? But just a quick view here. So after there's a new order, which we already told the Zapier to that that will be an action that ordering will take, and this is the trigger. When this happens, when ordering gets a new order, do this, and here we tell the Zapier, the SAP, that he will update an order of this account, and for example, this is an order that we will get. What the SAP will do is to change the status to accepted by business whenever there's a new order on your software, on your website, right? This way you can automatically accept the orders whenever there's a new one. So give this a try. Also check the YouTube lesson. Let me get it for you. Ordering Inc. Ordering plus Zapier is the fifth lesson. Let me send it to you here. Jens H. Give it a try and let me know if it worked for you. Uh, Next question. So Wayne, if a driver is assigned an order and they can't do it for some reason, can the order be reassigned by the driver? Uh, so if the order gets rejected by the driver, it'll go to rejected by drivers in your ordering editor. So when that happens, the order becomes to be a manual process. So now you will have to, as a business owner, change the status of it and assign it to the new driver that is going to deliver that order. Let me know if that's clear. To change that, you will have to go in your ordering website, in the orders manager, and change it here. And then as a super admin, I will log in as a super admin for now. Okay, here. For example, this canceled, rejected by business. Imagine this is rejected by driver. Oh, here. And then you as a business owner will have to assign a new driver, Wayne. Now, Ashish, how do I how to add an option on the menu? What kind of options do you mean, Ashish? Please let me know. Wayne, okay, 1 minute. I think you already answered that. I will go in the next one. Is it possible to enforce address validation so customer cannot enter an address that does not exist? Yeah, Siamak, I don't know. Siama? I will call you Siama. Please let me know how to pronounce it. So, in your ordering website, the customers will also always uh, have to write their address, and the Maps API will launch some uh, suggestions of address. Also, if you want to make sure to have the right address for the customers, you can make the checkout field. Let me show you. I will go at checkout. You can create. Oh, come on. You can make these fields, internal number and address nodes, mandatory. How to? Let me show you. You have to log in as super admin here, then admin area more, then checkout fields. You make field last name. Driver to second last name. Where is the? I think it's this one. No. Second last name, I remember where is it? Delivery address fields. Oh, this is the ones. So you can make this required in that order, in that way. The customer will have to mandatory put them in the at the checkout, and that way you gather some more information in order to deliver the orders. Mhm. Okay, and next question. Oh wait, okay, we have the where to get to it. Admin area, settings, business settings, extra validation to create orders. Let's try it. Let's try it out, Wayne. I think is the checkout, the more fields there. So if we click no, we save this. We just saved already. Now let's try to create an order to see the extra things that we are required for it to create an order. So this is there. Continue. What changed? Extra validations. I don't know if this is because of the demo, but as I remember, it was another question that the system made when this is active. Let me see. So we save this. We go home. So no, no, no. Upselling is still here. Um, okay, gosh. I don't see the change, Wayne. Let me take a look at it and let you know what's exactly the thing that does. I mean, it didn't show me a change. I will look into it and let you know for tomorrow's class. Um, so next question. Siama, what does the option what does this option is editor do if activated? Check address checkout. Okay, that the check address checkout means that it rechecks the address at the checkout. It's just like that. It's very straightforward. The name according to the action. So here, oh, checkout. Here, if it is activated, it will recheck the address. Or if you're getting on a let me show you on a store directly, jumping this address validation. McDonald's, no, Mac. It is. I will jump into the store. So when we are inside this and I want to order something, oh, we're locked. Let me let me close this and I will open a new incognito window so I can show you. Web. It's because we already had a session there. McDonald's. So when this is new and I jump into the store directly, it will show this. This is the check address. So it will show something like this in the checkout when you jump directly there. So it can double check the addresses. Okay. What's that? Siama. That is what it is, right? This but in the checkout. Okay. Gens. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm glad you understood. Ashish, add an option. For example, noodles to have an option with chicken, with prawn, with okay, a cheese, that's very easy. Those are called in the ordering environment. Those are called product options, which can be added inside each store, inside each product. So, for example, here I am in this store, and here we click the little pencil. We can add new product option here, and start adding the options that this one will have. For example, if this one was noodles, here you put here you have to put something like the sizes. Oh, size. Let's say you wrote. Oh, let's put um, meat. No, options. I don't know how to call it right now. Let's say with chicken, chicken, then with prawn, and then with vegetables. Okay. Now, when you activate this product option on this product, for example, here we have chipotle barbecue snack wrap. So if we go in this store and check that out, chipotle barbecue, and check that product option will be showing there. Is this one? Yeah. So it shows here. It'll be the same for your products, Ashish. So this is the way to make it happen with your add-on. Claudia, hello, Claudia. I have multi-store account, but some customers want single. I have to buy. Yeah, buy. Yeah, you have to buy each of the single apps. Actually, I don't remember if we have it on the power-ups. Let me check, Claudia. If we don't have it here, we will have to sell it. We will have to add it here as a power-up for your businesses. No. Yeah, no, we don't have it listed. Oh, we have. Oh no, this is a business app. We currently don't have it listed here in our power ups, Claudia, but yeah, it'll have to be purchased uh, for each of your stores. If you need it to be in iOS, is a price. If you need it to be in Android, just Android, it'll be another price. Please let me know if you can still hear me. I had a blackout here. Everything seems good, working. Please let me know. Oh, can you see that? Let me know if everything looks good on your side and you can hear me, please. Okay, I think you can hear me. You can hear me. Uh, so yeah, you will have to purchase single business apps for each of your stores, Claudia. Hmm? Send me an email to my mail, Claudia, mail to, and we can talk about it. Okay. Next question. Payment method change. It was only cash the first time. So when it was because of the stores. McDonald's uh, have uh, have, 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 uh, 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 have a lot of payment gateways activated. However, Stripe only shows if your customer is logged in, right? Because the customer has to grab a card, and the credit card gets saved in the accounts. That is why sometimes it won't show. Okay. However, some of the demo stores have all the pay methods. Some of they don't. For example, let me try. I think this one only has cash. Let me show you. Yeah, this is why. It's because some stores have more payment gateways enabled. For example, McDonald's. Here we have all checked. That's why, Wayne. Okay. Yasin, what is Copyinator and how it work? Copyinator, Yasin, do you mean this button? If it is this button, it means that the store will be copied, just like cloned here, and then here you will have to add the new delivery zones. The purpose of that button is for those franchises that they just want to change the delivery zone and launch the same products and the same categories and everything, just like another store. Okay. Who has that? Yasin. That is what this copy button is. Claudia, yep, we're about it. I will help you with it. Wayne, can you let me know the extra validation settings? When you know, but yeah, I will let you know, Wayne, about it. Sorry, I don't have the information on hand. Now, let me jump into some questions that I've gotten from the customers. So this is the Alonso, okay, and this is Adriana. I want to check a little bit more about the invoice generator who works. I think Adriana is not here. I don't know. If you are here, please raise your hand or something. But invoices, the invoices system is very straightforward. This invoice manager will help you to create the document, like the PDF. So when you fill up all these the fields, well, you select the charge the business a commission and fees or pay out the business. You select the date from let's say from the beginning of the month until today. Then what you want to include, if the orders were paid using cash or every other method. If you want to include pickup and delivery or cancel orders or everything, a percentage fee, fixed fee for that particular store and everything. So let's say MISC description test. I will show you how it will look. MISC description, MISC notes test. Select a business. Oh, I have to select a business. Let's say McDonald's because I know it's the one that has a lot of orders. We create a PDF. It'll be like this. Let it open. And then in your accountability team, with your team, you can do some like the charges or something. This helps you to gather the information inside the platform, right? And here you have the notes. Okay. This kind of how it works. Claudia asked for it. I don't know if she's here, but oh no, who asked that? Adriana. Adriana asked it. Okay, let's jump into the next question. Ashish. Customer item missing and restaurant denied and not provided with the item or refund. How can a customer report it to the company? For your customers to submit a complaint about your company, I would recommend you to add a form in the footer where you will get some suggestions or maybe add a live chat in your platform. To add a live chat in your platform, you only have to get the code and add it in your builder. Let me show you live chat. You can use live chat, which is a very good platform. We use it for our support team. So if you add something like this in your platform, you will give the customers the chance to write you live, you know, or even create some emails. So this way, Ashish, you can provide another support to your customers and well make them happier with your services, with your solution. So I would recommend you to add something like this. Currently, the software doesn't have it, something like a live chat or something like that. You will have to integrate it. Uh, we recommend you live chat, but you can use any chat platform that you know. Let me send you the. This is the live chat tutorial. Okay, give it a try and let us know. Also, before we go, I wanted to show you the ways that you can ask for support to all the ordering team. You can either submit a ticket or use live chat, just like I mentioned with Ashish. You can start typing here and we will help you with it. Or you can use our user's guide, which is this one. This one, the get.ordering.help. And you can also see features and improvements of your of the platform. If there's any feature that you would like to add in your platform or anything, you can do it here, right? You can do both, and we will take a look at everything and let you know how it goes. Okay. Um, Let me see. Hello. Not yet, Eduardo. It's not ready yet. I will do as soon as I get some information, Eduardo. I will let you know. Okay. Uh, I think we don't have any more questions for now of today's subject. If there's any more questions, please type them in the chat. I will give you 1 minute so we can wrap this lesson up. Remember that you can always see the the lessons in YouTube. This gets uploaded just after we finished. My name is Mauricio. I'm happy to help you all day from Monday to Friday. I am here, 15 hours New York time. Okay. Also, please help me with some suggestions of what you want me to talk about in these classes. It's very important for me. And to submit a suggestion, go here in Ordering University, and here is the submit, like to submit. Ashish, if you need to refund, how can I? Okay, for refunds in the platform, the only one that we have currently is Stripe refund. So whenever the customer pays using Stripe, for example, let me see if I have an order. Let me create an order as she so I can show you how it works with the refunds. I will pay with a Stripe on this order. Stripe. I will just select this card, place the order. So when the customer pays with a card, the super admin will see the option like this, and here if the customer says something, you just click this button and Stripe will do the rest. Okay, Ashish? We only currently have it with Stripe. If you need something else, please submit us a quote or a ticket and we will let you know how to make it happen. I don't know if there's any more questions. Please, if you have them, Oh, how can I find the language manager to reconnect? Yasin, to look for a text, you just have to, in the language manager, click in the second filter here and click and start typing it. Just remember what you typed the last time. If not, remember like where was it? I don't know if it was in the home. Look for home and start looking for the text. Yasin. Uh, is it possible to have access to all the image sizes we need in the builder? I mean, I would like to know this because at this moment I have the access to the builder. So Eduardo, your builder access was sent in the email, in the installation email. Please take a double check there. If you don't have it, let me know in send me an email and I will look for it and give it to you. Okay? So you can see all the sizes of the images. Um, that's it for today's lesson. I'm so happy everyone who joined, and see you tomorrow in tomorrow's lesson. Tomorrow, I think we will have uh, a chat about the platform in terms of delivery. I will let you know tomorrow morning. Also on the push notifications and everywhere, pop-ups on the site and everything. Also, don't forget to subscribe to view this content live. And thank you very much. This gets uploaded just after we finish this lesson.